Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our horizontal spreads for the next week in May. And I've got some washi tapes here ready to go, as well as this gold pen I will use, some samples here on my sticker sheet, and these sticker books which I'll pull from. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down some wax paper to get us started. I decided that I really wanted to do something with this kind of candle theme when I saw that sticker there on the sticker sheet. It says celebrate, yeah, I think it's like each and every victory or something like that, or every tiny victory. And I just saw that and I thought that would be super cute for a birthday spread. I've pretty much exhausted my birthday stash of stickers, so it was nice to find something that I could recreate instead of having to search and find stickers to go with it. So when I saw that, I thought it would be a perfect thing to try to do with washi tape. As you can see, I kind of did a little sample, make sure everything would work out the way I had planned and make sure I had the right colors and things. So basically I just cut the washi that I had into strips, the ones that was a little bit bigger, and I'll show you how I did that soon. And then the ones that I had in the right size, I just kind of laid those down in the patterns and went from there. So I just did a little sample there, as you can see, kind of mimicking that sticker. So now I'm in the Happy Plan sticker book and I am looking for some coordinating stickers to kind of help fill out the more functional aspects of the spread. And this sticker book is a really good match for this color scheme. They have basically the same colors in it, so it was really great that I had that on hand. And just the vibes of it and everything just really matched well with this candle birthday theme and the pastels. So now I'm laying in some focus boxes to start off, kind of pulling the colors in from the washi tape that I have here on the spread. And they're kind of delicate, so they're a little bit hard to move, but I decided what I wanted to do was straddle the bottom there with candles and then kind of have another set of candles strewn about, one on one side of the page and then one on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying those in, starting here on the left. And I decided to pull in some washi tape that has some patterns in it as well. There is some very subtle patterns in that long box sticker of candles, but you really can't see it that well unless you're real close up. There's some like fine dot patterns and some like diagonal lines. So I pulled what I had from my stash. It kind of went with that, with softer patterns, and I had it in the yellow and the blue. I thought worked pretty well. And then the rest are just my solid washi tapes cut down. And since this whole theme is about my birthday week, I just cut off that little bottom half of the box sticker so it fits a little bit better there into the box for Sunday. And then I am working that in as a decor piece. And I'm going to build out one more section of candles here at the top. So I've already laid down some washi tape that I had pulled out and thought I was going to use for a different use. So I had it there on the cutting board already. And then I'm cutting it up into thirds like I mentioned before using my precision cutter, which is just an awesome little tool, and a ruler. So I'm just going to take those strips and start laying them in kind of haphazardly. So it looks random, a little crooked here and there. I'll do probably some trimming as I go once I start laying things down. Right now I just kind of want to get a feel for how they'll lay down on the page. And I'm trying to do roughly 2 of each type of candle style for each section. It's not a hard and fast rule, but just kind of mixing it up that way so there's a little bit of repetition. I feel like I need a little bit more here at the bottom in this kind of main area. Thursday is my actual birthday, so I definitely want to highlight that in some way and then just kind of make the whole week fun. I don't know what I'm going to do yet on Thursday. Still in quarantine mode. Probably not going to be all that. Donuts will be involved though. If you follow my channel, you know I love donuts, so getting donuts one way or the other. I'm in my Happy Quote sticker book there, and I just pulled in a box sticker that I cut in half just to, again, kind of make it scale a little bit better in the space, and then I layered it together with itself. And I thought that came out kind of good for a box sticker here on the horizontal. Instead of using highlighters this week for my to-do list boxes, I decided to go ahead and use the circle bullets there, colored bullets from the Happy Plant sticker book. They're paper, so I can easily write on top of them, which is what I need. And I think the colors are just a perfect match, so I'm going to go ahead and use those. I've also pulled in one more box quote here that I am using just to kind of make the birthday day stand out a little bit more. I'll figure out how exactly to lay that in. It's a little bit wonky at the moment, but lay that in for now and then reuse any pieces that I can. I am bringing in a bit of gold there with the washi tape, and you'll see with the gold pen, that kind of stemmed from that box sticker I started with, the Celebrate with candles. It has some gold confetti at the top, and I thought that might be a nice tie-in here with the birthday theme. And now I'm just going through that Happy Plan sticker book, looking for some decor stickers to pull in on some of those days that are a little bit more sparse. Seeing if there's anything that I like. And I'm going to go ahead and go back into those bullets and start laying those in on the right hand side. Just kind of pulling in the main colors that are there already on the spread. And then for a moment I thought I might add in a little bit more of the washi, but I think it's going to detract from the candle aspect of it, so we're just going to go forward with what I have here, try to keep it bright and light. And then I remembered I had pulled this color story book in particular to use these gold balloons, and I'm going to go ahead and try and lay it in somewhere here on the spread, just again to give it a little bit more party atmosphere. And just looking again through the Happy Plan sticker book, seeing if I could find anything else to add in, but I think we're good to go. So I'm going to start moving things over. And I think I want this just hanging off the bottom a bit. So let's try and get that on there. I like that. Went ahead and trimmed it. I'm going to use my little wax paper roll-off technique to get these guys off in one fell swoop. And that worked out really good, especially because these guys are so delicate, like I said. Just trim one or two here that were hanging out. And then when I thought about putting this guy on there, I just changed my mind. So I'm going to move on and try some other ideas that I had, just kind of on the fly. I really kind of wanted that box to end on something, so I moved the washi tape there on Sunday. And I'm just going to move the washi tape around a bit. Figure out where I want some of these things to go, since I am changing things. And I'm going to go ahead and roll over those candles again, and like I said, I'm going to trim up some of them since they're a little bit more straggly here. And that worked pretty well. I decided to move that washi tape, the gold washi tape there. I'm going to have this guy coming in, I think, from the side. Again, I kind of wanted that feeling that those box stickers were ending on something, so I went ahead and moved that washi tape there so that the Color Me Happy can look like it's ending on top of the washi. And then I moved over that next set of candles, and I'm now trying to find a happy place for this sticker. I kind of like that, like it's hanging from the ceiling. Using my gold pen to add little wicks to the candles, which is very similar to how it looks on the sticker itself. Really liked how simple this is and how cute it comes out. Now I'm adding in some confetti dots here in the gold as well on my birthday in particular. I just really wanted to highlight that day, so I'm going to use this gold pen to make that happen. And I like having it coming down there from the top of the day. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of those bullets. Just wanted to make sure I knew what colors I was going to use and where I was going to start off my checklist. I didn't want to go overboard and put all of these already down on the wax paper, only just to move them right straight over. So I'm doing that now. I'm going to go ahead and finish this out. And once I'm done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.